and gentle people, welcome to your single dose of automotive content. You can never have too much horsepower. This is a 1960 Ford Escort starting up in Jamaica. Jamaicans doing Jamaican things. This is a Subaru Impreza WRX STI rally car in Jamaica. Idiots in cars. Some people were only meant to drive in a straight line. This might be the fastest markets in Jamaica.
Yo, it's a run, you know. What? Yeah, man.
Fun fact. The Thrust SSC holds the current land speed record by accomplishing a speed of 763 miles per hour. By doing so, the supersonic car became the first land vehicle to officially break the sound barrier.
I'll say that was fast.
Thank you for watching.